Namaste everyone. Today we are going to talk about KPL Small Beads Set. KPL kits are child-friendly, non-toxic, made up of virgin plastic. This kit consists of 50 beads in 5 basic colors, along with a string. Let's do the counting with the help of yellow beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 beads. Now we are going to take 3 yellow beads. 1, 2, 3. Now add 2 red beads. 1, 2. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 beads. Now take 6 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 green beads. Now take away 2 green beads. One, 2. Now how many beads are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads are left. Hey kids, are you ready to make a beautiful pattern with me? So first of all, you have to thread 3 orange beads. Now you have to thread 1 blue bead. Now 3 orange beads again. Now can you please tell me which bead come next? Right, blue bead. And after that, 3 orange beads. This way you are able to make different kind of patterns with the help of these beads. Let's count 6 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 green beads. Now we are going to thread 4 red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 red beads. Now can you please tell me which beads are more in numbers? Green beads are more in number. Green beads are more, red beads are less. What is this? This is a red heart. Now you have to thread red beads. 1, 2. 2 red beads for a red heart. What is this? This is a blue rectangle. Now you have to thread 2 blue beads. Blue beads for blue rectangle. What is this? This is an oval and the color of the oval is orange. So we have to thread orange beads for orange oval. 1, 2. These are 2 beads. What is this? This is an apple. A is the beginning letter of apple. What is this? This is a fish. F is the beginning letter of fish. Let's do the counting. How many beads are there? 5 red beads. This digit represents 5. With the help of this kit, We can improve a child's pencil grip, which helps in enhancing fine motor skills, improve eye-hand-mind coordination. This will also help them to hold the writing tools, pencil, crayons, pen in a better way. So keep learning with KPL.